So it's April and it's like 26, 27 degrees and the tulips are almost done. Freyja's excited because, you know, it's time to catch lizards. This is when all like the lizards and different insects come out, and I think she found something in there. And she's really happy these days with the warmth. I'm gonna leave her to it because I don't think there is anything in there. I don't know what I don't actually see what she's looking at. Oh, it was a lizard. She got it. Oh no. It's in her mouth. See? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I feel sorry for it. Maybe I can rescue it? Hey. Okay, it got away down there. It escaped into there again. So hopefully it'll be okay. She's kind of Is it gone, Freyja? Freyja? This is how Freyja stays slim and healthy.